Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily rename and micromanage your tasks. So first things first, we have to log in into our ClickUp account, and once we're in here we find ourselves in our workspace. So as you can see, we have a couple of projects going, Matt's project, Project Marcus, and we have tasks underneath them. Task 1, Task 2, Task 3 are pretty generic, so you can't really tell what they are all about. And what is it in the to-do? We have some to-do list, okay? And we want to rename the task. Easily, we just hover over with our mouse and we can rename them, just like that. As you can see, the last option is a little pencil here. We click rename. And let's go with create YouTube tutorial. Okay. And with task number 2, we can click on the task number 2 and we can easily rename it here. We just hit the backspace and let's go with edit YouTube videos, just like that. We hit enter, we close it, and we see that we have created YouTube tutorial, edit YouTube videos, and let's go with plan work for next week, just like that. We hit enter and we close it, just like that. We just I showed you how you can easily edit the task. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.